And the race is on. Echikatsu fast to begin. Luna Rosa moving out Platinum Lance unequal and rushing up is Devoted Minstrel. It's now Echikatsu followed by Devoted Minstrel in second. Racing in third, Platinum Lance moving up by Drell is unequal alongside Luna Rosa. Reyes Gold Salim is running at the tail of the field by about 7 to 8 lengths of the leader. Back to the leader, Echikatsu by about 2 lengths. Devoted Minstrel. Platinum Lance racing third by Drell, rushing about the outside is unequal. And Luna Rosa, Reyes Gold Salim as they race the last 500. Devoted Minstrels now the leader, Echikatsu. Platinum Lance racing in third and running in fourth is unequal. Luna Rosa as they race the final corner. Devoted Minstrel, Echikatsu. Platinum Lance is rushing about the outside on the further outside is unequal. It's still Devoted Minstrel, Platinum Lance and unequal. It's now Platinum Lance by the Devoted Minstrel and nearing the finish line. The horse of Mr. Alvin Pereras. Platinum Lance, second close, Luna Rosa, Devoted Minstrel, Salim, unequal, Reyes Gold, and